Hi, Bob. I'm looking into buying a new loader for a small machine. I've always used auto-load because I like the reliability of compressed air, and I have had a good experience with them.
Have you heard about the new FlexMed loaders from AAE? They have many improvements over auto-load, and they offer options other compressed air loaders cannot match.
No, I've not heard of them. What do you like about them?
I like that they're made from medical-grade stainless steel and polished inside and out. They even have ISO-compliant sanitary seams that have no ledges and are rated up to 150 psi without leaking air and dust. I don't need all that, but it makes them virtually self-cleaning and they look great.
How about compressed air consumption?
I tested other loaders that claim to use as little as 4 CFM and found that they don't work well at the recommended PSI and commonly run over 11 SCFM at a pressure of 85 PSI. The FlexMed loader I tested only used 4 SCFM, and it conveyed material as low as 15 PSI.
I like those cute gold magnets on the auto-load that flip up.
I did too, until I discovered that people were lifting them up to see the sight glass and releasing the metal into the machine. I think they caused more trouble than they are worth. The FlexMed loader has an internal magnet which holds the metal until it is out of the receiver.
I must admit I find it hard to change the filter on the auto-load, especially with that heavy hose hanging on it.
You will love the FlexMed loaders. They have a quick clamp-on hose so that you can easily remove the hose if you want to move the loader. And the filter comes off with a quick clamp as well, avoiding spilling dust on the machine every time you change the filter.
Changing the filter is a real pain. Why doesn't someone offer a self-cleaning filter?
Funny you mentioned it. FlexMed offers an internal filter that is self-cleaning. In fact, it comes with an industrial PLC control so that you can adjust all of the loading parameters, including filter cleaning and virgin and regrind proportioning.
Now that I think of it, we were always ordering spare parts, especially cyclone receivers that wore holes in them.
That won't happen with FlexMed loaders. They have a heavy-duty stainless steel deflector which prevents the material from hitting the receiver walls. In any event, you are protected by a 5-year warranty that covers damage from abrasion to the receiver. I also had problems with getting compressed air loaders to convey from gaylords and deep drums. Even when I turned the air pressure up over 80 psi, it would still not perform well. I found that FlexMed loaders provide vent air for conveying all the way at the bottom of the lance for reliable loading, and their venturi is mounted at the very bottom where it works best.
Wow, I had no idea that loaders like that were available. They must be expensive.
No, they're actually priced below auto-load and most other competitors.
Thanks, Bob. I'm convinced. My next loader will be a FlexMed loader.